Hi everyone, today we are going to start the practice set number 1.4. Solve these following simultaneous equations. First one, 2 upon x minus 3 upon y equals to 15, and next one is 8 upon x minus plus 5 upon y equals to 77. Here the given equations are not given in a standard form, so first we are going to convert them into a standard form. For this we are going to assume 1 upon x equals to m and 1 upon y equals to n. See, first in the first equation we have given 2x, so 2 upon x means we can say that 2 multiplied by 1 upon x. For this 1 upon x we have assumed m, so we get 2m. Next part is 3 upon y. 3 upon y means 3 multiplied by 1 upon y. For this 1 upon y we have assumed n, so we get 3n. So our first equation is 2m minus 3n equals to 15, equation number 1, and similarly we will get 8m plus 5n equals to 77, equation number 2. To add or subtract any simultaneous equations, we want the same coefficient of any one variable, and here m have a different coefficient and n also have a different coefficient, but it's easy to make a same coefficient of m. So if we multiply 2 multiplied by 4, then we get a 8m, so we will get the same coefficient of m. So we are going to multiplying equation 1 by 4, so we get 2 4s are 8m minus 3 4s are 12n, 15 4s are 60, equation number 3. Now in equation 2 and 3, the coefficient of m is same and they have a same coefficient, so same coefficient with the same sign, so we are going to subtracting. So here subtracting equation 3rd from 2nd. So we are going to write down equation number 2nd first. 8m plus 5n equals to 77. 8m minus 12n equals to 60. What we are doing here? Subtraction. So in the subtraction, signs of all the second terms get cancelled. So plus 8m minus 8m cancel. Plus 5n plus 12n, 17n equals to 77 minus 60, 17. Therefore n equals to 17 by 17. Therefore n equals to 1. Now substituting n equals to 1 in equation, we can substitute value of n in any equation. So here we are going to substitute it in equation number 1. Equation 1, 2m minus 3n equals to 15. Therefore 2m minus 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 15. Therefore 2m minus 3 equals to 15. Therefore 2m equals to minus 3 get plus, so 15 plus 3. Therefore 2m equals to 18. Therefore m equals to 18 by 2. Therefore m equals to 9. Now here we get both the values of m and n, but m and n are not the given variables in the equation that we have assumed for 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Now we are going to resubstituting. Now resubstituting m equals to 1 upon x and n equals to 1 upon y. Therefore 1 upon x equals to m, and the value of m is 9. Therefore by cross multiplication we get 1 equals to 9x. Therefore 1 upon 9 equals to x means x equals to 1 upon 9, and 1 upon y equals to n, and the value of n is 1. So by cross multiplication we get 1 equals to y. Therefore y equals to 1. At the end, solution: x equals to 1 upon 9 and y equals to 1. Sum number 2, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y equals to 4, and 15 upon x minus y minus 5 upon x minus y equals to minus 2. So here we are going to assume 1 upon x plus y equals to m, and 1 upon x minus y equals to n. See, 10 upon x plus y equals to, we can say that 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. For this 1 upon x plus y we have assumed m, so we get 10m. And similarly 2 upon x minus y equals to 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y. For this 1 upon x minus y we have assumed n, so we get 2n. Okay, so we get first equation 10m plus 2n equals to 4, equation 1, and 15m minus 5n equals to minus 2, equation number 2. To add or subtract any simultaneous equation, we have to make a same coefficient of any one variable, and here n have a different coefficient with a different sign, so we are going to multiply each other by their coefficients. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. So we get, multiplying equation 1 by 5, 10 5s are 50, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20, equation number 3rd. And second by 2, 15 2s are 30, 5 2s are 10, and 2 2s are 4, minus 4, equation number 4th. In equation 3rd and 4th, the coefficient of n is same and it have a different sign, so we are going to add them. Adding equation 3rd and 4th, 50m plus 10n equals to 20, and 30m minus 10m equals to minus 4. Plus 10 and minus 10 and cancel, 50 plus 30 80, 20 minus 4 16. Therefore we get m equals to 16 upon 80. Therefore m equals to 16 ones are 16, 16 5s are 80. So m equals to 1 upon 5. Now substituting m equals to 1 upon 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 10m plus 2n equals to 4. Therefore 10 multiplied by 1 upon 5 plus 2n equals to 4. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 2, are 10. Therefore remains 2 plus 2n equals to 4, plus 2 get minus, so 2n equals to 4 minus 2. Therefore 2 2n equals to 2. Therefore n equals to 2 upon 2. Therefore n equals to 1. Now resubstituting, m equals to 1 upon x plus y and n equals to 1 upon x minus y. Therefore 1 upon x minus y equals to, value of m is 1 upon 5, numerator equal 1 upon x plus y equals to 1 upon 5, numerator equals to numerator, so therefore denominator equals to denominator, so we get x plus y equals to 5, equation number 5th. And 1 upon x minus y equals to n, value of n is 1, therefore by cross multiplication we get x minus y equals to 1, equation number 6. Now in equation 5th and 6th, both x and y have a same coefficient but y have a different sign, so we are going to add equation 5th and 6th. 5th one, x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 1, plus y minus y cancel, x plus x 2x equals to 6. Therefore x equals to 6 upon 2, therefore x equals to 3. Substituting, x equals to 3 in equation 5th. Equation 5th is x plus y equals to 5. Therefore 3 plus y equals to 5. Therefore y equals to 5 plus 3 get minus. Therefore y equals to 2. At the end, solution, x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Number third, 27 upon x minus 2 plus 31 upon y plus 3 equals to 85, and next one is 31 upon x minus 2 plus 27 upon y plus 3 equals to 89. So here we are going to assume let taking 1 upon x minus 2 equals to m and 1 upon y plus 3 equals to n. So now we get 27m plus 31n equals to 85, equation number 1, and 31m plus 27n equals to 89, equation number 2nd. In equation 1st and 2nd, the coefficients of m and n are altered in a 1st and a 2nd equation. So here we are going to add and subtract both the equations one time. So first we are going to add them. Adding equation 1st and 2nd, 27m plus 31n equals to 85. 31m plus 27n equals to 89. So 27 plus 31, 58m plus 58n equals to 174. Therefore common 58 remaining m plus n equals to 174. Therefore m plus n equals to 174 divided by 58. m plus n equals to 3. Equation number 3rd. Now we are going to subtracting equation number 1st from 2nd, because coefficient of m is greater in equation number second. So 31m plus 27n equals to 89, and 27m plus 31n equals to 85. We are subtracting here, so the signs of all the terms of a second equation get changed. So plus 27 get minus, plus 31 get minus, plus 85 get minus. 31 minus 27, 4n. 27 minus 31 minus 4n, sign of correct number. 85 minus 80, 89 minus 85, 4. So the common part is 4 remaining. M minus n equals to 4. Therefore, m minus n equals to 4 by 4. M minus n equals to 1. Equation number 4th. In equation 3rd and 4th, the coefficient of m and n both are same and they have a different sign for n. So we are going to adding equation 3rd and 4th. M plus n equals to 3, m minus n equals to 1. Plus n minus n cancel, so m plus m 2m equals to 3 plus 1 4. Therefore m equals to 4 by 2. Therefore m equals to 2. Substituting m equals to 2 in equation number 3rd. Equation number 3rd is m plus n equals to 3. Therefore value of m is 2. 2 plus n equals to 3. Therefore n equals to 3 plus 2 get minus. Therefore n equals to 1. Now resubstituting m equals to 1 upon x minus 2 and n equals to 1 upon y plus 3. Therefore 1 upon x minus 2 equals to value of m, that is 2 upon 1. Therefore by cross multiplication we get 2x minus 2 2s are 4 equals to 1. Therefore 2x equals to 1 plus 4. Therefore 2x equals to 5. Therefore x equals to 5 divided by 2 and 1 upon y plus 3 equals to n, and value of n is 1. So by cross multiplication we get y plus 3 equals to 1. Therefore y equals to 1 plus 3 get minus. Therefore y equals to minus 2. Now solution. X equals to 5 upon 2 and y equals to minus 2. Now sum number 4. 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 3 upon 4, and the next one is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y equals to minus 1 upon 8. In both the equations 3x plus y and 3x minus y, this is the common part between both the equations, so we are going to assume for this, let taking 1 upon 3x plus y equals to m and 1 upon 3x minus y equals to n. Therefore So we get m plus n equals to 3 upon 4. By cross multiplication we get 4m plus 4n equals to 3, equation number first. And next one, 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y equals to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3x plus y. For this part we have assumed letter, so we get m upon 2. Next part is 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x minus y, so we get 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3x minus y, so we get 1 upon 2 multiplied by n, so we get n upon 2. And for the next one we get m upon 2 minus n upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. So same denominator one time, we get m minus n upon 2 equals to minus 1 upon 8. Therefore m minus n equals to minus 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2. Divide 2 get multiplied, 1s are 4s are, divide 4 get multiplied, so we get 4m minus 4n equals to minus 1, equation number second. Okay, 4m plus 4n equals to 3 and 4m minus 4n equals to minus 1. These are the equation number third and fourth. We are going to add them, so we get plus 4n plus minus 4n cancel, 4m plus 4m 8m equals to 3 minus 1 2. Therefore m equals to 2 upon 8. Both are divisible by 1, so we get m 2, so we get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Substituting m equals to 1 upon 4 in equation third one, 4m plus 4n equals to 3. Therefore 4 multiplied by 1 upon 4 plus 4n equals to 3. 4 4 cancel, remaining 1 plus 4n equals to 3. Therefore 4n equals to 3 plus 1 get minus. Therefore 4n equals to 2. Therefore n equals to 2 upon 4. Therefore n equals to 2 1s are 2 2s are, n equals to 1 upon 2. Now resubstituting m equals to 1 upon 3x plus y and n equals to 1 upon 3x minus y. Therefore 1 upon 3x plus y equals to m, and value of m is 1 upon 4. So numerator equals to numerator, so denominator equals to denominator, so we get 3x plus y equals to 4, equation number 5th. And 1 upon 3x minus y equals to 1 upon 2, numerator equals to numerator, so we get a denominator equals to denominator, 3x minus y equals to 2, equation number 6th. In equation 5th and 6th, y have a same coefficient and with a different sign, so we are going to add them. Adding equation 5th and 6th, 3x plus y equals to 4, 3x minus y equals to 2, plus y minus y cancel, 3x plus 3x 6x equals to 4 plus 2 6. Therefore x equals to 6 divided by 6. Therefore x equals to 1. Substituting x equals to 1 in equation fifth one, 3x plus y equals to 4. Therefore 3 multiplied by 1 plus y equals to 4. 3 ones are 3 plus y equals to 4. Therefore y equals to 4 plus 3 get minus. Therefore y equals to 1. At the end we are going to write down solution. X equals to 1 and y equals to 1. Thank you so much.